Hi, welcome to another episode of Josh's Virtual Life with yours truly. And before anything else, I'd just like to thank all of you for the support that you've given. Kahit konti pa lang po yung nanonood sa channel natin, I still notice you all and I appreciate you all. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And along with that, some of you guys had also requested for some very interesting topics that I could make a video about. Thank you din po sa inyo dahil kung hindi dahil siguro sa inyo, baka mas natagalan pa akong nag-isip ng gagawin kong next na video. So shout out po kay Dennis, Atilay, and Gail who have requested for a video about prepositions. Ayan. And today, it's going to be about the prepositions of time and place, at, in, and on. Now, some of you guys may find this a bit confusing, but in this lesson, not only are we going to learn about them, we are also going to learn how to remember how to use them. Kasi marami na sa atin, alam na natin kung paano gamitin ang mga prepositions na to. Alam na natin yung usage nila. But when it comes to real life situations or when it comes to application when we really need to use them, dun na tayo nagkakalimutan. So, I will be showing you this cool technique on how to remember how to use these prepositions in just a bit. So stay tuned.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hey, I'm glad you're still here. And as mentioned, we are going to learn the prepositions of time and place, at, in, and on. And to remember them better, let's memorize them through songs. Ayan, hindi lang tayo mag-aaral, but you guys can also sing along to some popular songs where we can find these prepositions. You know, I believe that incorporating something that you like can enhance your learning strategy and promote better retention. So, if you feel like music is one of those factors for you, just like for me, then let's get right to it. So first off, let's talk about the prepositions of time, at, in, and on. Now, guys, you have to memorize this in this specific order because at is specific, on is in the middle, and in is general. Let's start with at. This is used to express the time of the clock. For example, I finished binge watching at 5 a.m. Or you can also say,
Girl, you look like summer at 7, yeah, I think I'm in heaven, I can get you out of my mind.
Another example is, I'll see you tomorrow at breakfast. Meron po tayong exception sa paggamit ng at, and we can also say at night. Josh, night is not a specific time on the clock. Yes, you know English isn't a perfect language, so there will be exceptions to some rules, such as this. So, in a sentence, we can say, everyone is expected to be indoors at night.
Sometimes late at night, I lie awake and watch her sleeping.
Sa on naman tayo. We use on to express days, dates, and holidays. Pero, hindi po kasama yung holidays na more than one day. Dapat one day lang po kasi pag more than one day, considered as period na po yun. So here are some examples. Number 1, the rolling market will arrive on Monday.
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart.
Number 2, the ECQ in Baguio began on March 18th, 2020. Number 3, Their last trip before the outbreak was on New Year's Day. Pwede din namang,
Why don't you give love on Christmas Day?
and another exception to the rule is on or at the weekend. At the weekend is used in the UK, while on the weekend is used in the US. So both are acceptable.
Wow!
Now, in. In is used to express a time period from this point to this point, such as months, seasons, parts of the day, and years.
Looking back on how it was in years gone by and the good times that I had.
For example, they plan to go surfing in San Juan in summer. O di kaya,
Those were the best days of my life. Oh yeah! Back in the summer of '69.
but we don't always need to add the in between.
Beast the buzz. Kids will blow dandelion fuzz and I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer.
Number 2, they hope that the ECQ will be lifted in May.
Ba-dee-ah, dancing in September. Ba-dee-ah, never was a cloudy day.
Number 3, in 2021, a vaccine will be made available to the general public. Pwede ring,
In 1607, we sailed the open sea for glory, God, and gold in the Virginia Company.
and number 4, his wife gave him a haircut in the morning.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
Okay, guys, bring out 1/4 lengthwise. Ano daw? Let's see if you guys remember. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Number 1. He woke up blank the middle of the night.
Oh my God!
Guys, middle of the night is still a period. So the right answer is in. Number 2. They got married blank June 1986.
Oh my God!
Guys, hindi natin alam kung kailan specifically in June. So the correct answer is in. Number 3, they had lunch blank noon.
Oh my God!
Okay. Hindi po ito afternoon. Noon time po ito, which is at 12 p.m. Afternoon is considered as a part of a day. So the right answer is at. Good job, guys. Okay, pass your papers and let's move on to the next topic, the prepositions of place, at, in, and on. Let's start with at. At is used to express specific places such as complete addresses, exact positions,
See you at the crossroads, crossroads. See you at the crossroads, crossroads.
or particular places. For example, he lives at number 25 Mars Street, Solar System City. Akala nyo in, no? Relax lang. Patience is a virtue. Another example is, All the alcohol and tissue paper at the supermarket are out of stock. You can also say,
We were strangers, starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we've had to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのもっと
in this song, at the beginning describes an exact location kung saan pinagtagpo ang dalawang puso. Now, what about on? On is used to express a surface, vehicle, or communication. For example, he is standing on the corner of Lacandula and Ermita.
Thinking maybe you'll come back here to the place that we meet. Then you'd see me waiting for you on the corner of the street.
O kaya, the vegetables on the truck came from Benguet. O di kaya'y
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love.
o pwede din namang
'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go.
Another example is, I was on the phone talking to my daughter.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late now when you need my love.
Now in. It is used to express an enclosed space, neighborhood, city, or country. For example, we should remain in the building as much as possible.
You called me from the room in your hotel, all full of romance for someone that you met.
Oh. And another example is, I live in Baguio City. Dito po tayo gagamit ng in when describing where we live kung hindi natin gustong ibigay ang exact address natin. We can also say,
In New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of, there's nothing you can't do.
and it's more fun in the Philippines.
So I put my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, there's a party in the USA. Yeah, it's a party in the USA.
Sorry, nakaka-contradicting yata yung linagay kong recording nun. But anyway, o diba? Madali lang. Let's have a short test again. Number 1. The accident happened blank Quezon Valley. Guys, hindi sure kung saan sa Quezon Valley nangyari. So the correct answer is in. Number 2. He now lives blank 1212 Magsaysay Avenue. Yes, at is correct because this is an address. Number 3. You can see colorful houses blank the hill. Yes, they are on the hill. Great work!
Good job, guys! I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something about prepositions today. Hopefully these songs would remind us of the correct usage of these prepositions, but please, don't rely on music all the time because just like English, music isn't perfect. You know, the lyrics of most songs aren't in accordance with correct grammar most of the time. So always remember that one of the best ways on how to remember or memorize something by heart is to put it to good use. My name is Josh, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be updated on my latest videos. And keep those requests coming. Till next time, thank you very much. See you!